Hey everyone, I'm Coco Taft, professional educator here at Olaplex, and today I'm going to be taking you through this epic curly hair transformation with my beautiful model Sarah using the new Olaplex Bond Shaper Curl Rebuilding Treatment, the newest groundbreaking innovation and salon service. Sarah, are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
This 3-step treatment controls frizz up to 15 washes, hydrates and seals in moisture to weightlessly enhance natural waves, curls, and coils. The Olaplex patented bond shaping technology is a unique peptide that goes in at a cortex level to help reshape and re-strengthen broken disulfide bonds. Understanding that curly hair has more disulfide bonds throughout the hair strand, this innovative technology is super crucial for achieving and maintaining strong, healthy curls. After a proper consultation with your client to learn more about their hair history, hair behavior, and desired preference of styling, we can go ahead and begin the service. So first things first, we want to start off by having a clean canvas. To prep the hair, I use Olaplex 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo, left on the hair for about 5 minutes. After rinsing, there is no conditioner needed. And now that the hair is prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and section the hair into 4 quadrants. Starting with step 1, repair, I'm gonna be using an applicator bottle with 50 milliliters. Just to start off, if you need more, use more throughout if necessary. So I'm gonna start by working through each quadrant, taking 1/4 to 1/2 inch subsection and applying step 1 evenly through the hair. No need to oversaturate. We really wanted curly girls to feel like their hair can move after a treatment. It doesn't have to be stiff. They're getting that hydration.
I love that it's a chemical-free treatment also. I feel like there's not many salon treatments that are clean like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna just rake that through. You can already see those curls bouncing back. Now that step 1 is evenly distributed throughout the hair, we'll let it sit for 10 minutes without rinsing. Now that it's been 10 minutes, I'm gonna take step 2, enhance, applying it to 2 vertical sections. Taking subsections of 1/4 to 1/2 inch, working from the root down, misting each section generously. Using a raking and scrunching motion to really work that product into the hair. Once application is complete, this step will also process for 10 minutes without rinsing. Step 3 and the final step of this treatment will determine how your client walks out of the salon. The importance of this application lies in what we've learned in the consultation. How does your client wear their natural hair? Do they part it in a certain way? Do they like their hair to fall forward or off their face? All key pieces of information to help you intentionally apply step 3 and style their hair. I'm going to generously apply from back to front while using my preferred curl styling technique. For Sarah, I'm going in with raking and scrunching to fully enhance her curl pattern. To complete Sarah's treatment today, I'm going to use my blow dryer and diffuser to finish the service and dry her hair to 100% dry. Starting with Sarah leaning all the way back into the chair and alternating from flipping her head forward and then side to side. There are many diffusing techniques out there to try, but a couple of pro tips I like to share that I find helpful is the importance of airflow, pressure, and heat temperature, and airflow direction. With some finishing touches and some aftercare education for Sarah, I'm so thrilled at these results. Like, look at this before and after. Sarah, how are you feeling?
I'm obsessed with the results.
So pretty.
My hair has genuinely never looked so good.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're so
Coco.
welcome. You're so welcome. I was able to provide Sarah stronger, more defined, healthier curls thanks to the Olaplex Bond Shaper Curl Rebuilding Treatment. If you would like to learn more, please visit olaplex.com for pros, where you can become Bond Shaper certified and begin to offer this amazing treatment to your curly hair clients.